Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's me, the Exotic Traveler. As you can see, I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we are unboxing the highly anticipated 16 Pro Max. Okay, let's dive in and see. On the front we have the iPhone picture, and on the top we have the iconic Apple logo, and it's written iPhone on the side of the box, and on the back we have some technical information and details. So let's dive in and open the box, as we already seen all the sides of the box. So let's go. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so let's see. Oh wow, that's in desert titanium, and you can see how beautiful color is this. Last time I have in black color, so this one is so cool for me. I was waiting a different shade. Okay, let's take out. Okay, first we check what's in the box, and so we can check what's in what else in the box. So this is the data cable only we don't have any adapters. This is a SIM ejection tool, and okay, and the other things we don't have the sticker this time in the iPhone box. iPhone removed the sticker, and these are the papers for the information in different languages. So let's put all this inside and let's check out our iPhone again. Okay guys, so we have our iPhone in the hands now. So first we take a look at the back, and you can see the camera is a little bit higher than the last time, and this design is so beautiful with the color and the edges. You can see the edges. Here we have the action button, volume buttons, and here we have the power button. This is the camera control. We have a new button this time. This is for the camera control. Okay, so for the SIM, here we have, okay, that's new. That's why I'm so a little bit confused. So okay, let's open it and see what's okay. So here, yay, and now we have the iPhone. Oh my god, that's beautiful. You can see this, the edges and the display. We have, this is the charging point, and we have this. Okay guys, so let's talk about the iPhone itself. The first thing you notice, the premium build quality. This feels solid and luxurious. It gives me handy in the hands. I thought that I have the big one, but this is so handy. This is so easy to hand on. Okay, now let's power up the iPhone. Okay guys, oh my god, I'm so excited to open this, and that's my new iPhone. I was waited last year for a good change, but last time the battery issues and everything. Hello, wow, that's cool. In different languages it says. Okay, these are the changes. This time is camera upgrades, the battery life, the processor of the iPhone, and also iOS 18 is a good change. Okay guys, so we have our phone in hand, and it starts now, and you can see the hello. Oh wow, so now we are setting up the phone. It's English, it's Canada, appearance okay, continue. Quick share I can do with my iPhone, the last one. And so guys, it connected with my old iPhone, and now it requires software update on my new phone. It also asked me about my SIM, so I'll set up later. First I have to software update for this. It takes around 5 minutes, so let's get back to you after 5 minutes. So guys, it's preparing for the updates, and it takes around 5 minutes. So we just check out our phone. How beautiful is this? I love with this color, and the sides of the iPhone is really beautiful. It's amazing, and I really like the color. You can see the Apple logo at the back side and the camera. We will check everything after the download completes. Actually, my Wi-Fi is automatically connected because I set up from my old iPhone, switched all the settings from my old iPhone to the new one. So that's why I skipped all the steps, which includes for my new ID, my Wi-Fi password and everything. So it directly updates my phone. After we have update the software, I set up all my data from my old iPhone to the new one, and that was privacy matters. That's why I had the video on those steps, and we have the iPhone started now. So let's get started with some new things. The location it wants. Okay guys, so here we have the iPhone. Now let's go and start to check the features of the iPhone. Works now. I downloaded many apps from my account, and you can see there are a lot of apps, numbers, keypads, and you can install Instagram, Snapchat, music, which already have that, and it's the smooth touch, and it's scrolling so much easier for me to. The camera is perfectly good. So guys, this is the major thing about this phone which I bought from old to new is the 1 TB. The size issue matters a lot for me, and that's why I hop into the 1 TB. So guys, you can see lots of storage. We have lots of app here, and I downloaded so many apps from my old phone. That's why it shows you my old applications. And what else I can tell you, it has the FaceTime and calendar and everything. And actually my husband bought it for me from Dubai, so that's why we have the Dubai time here, Dubai weather here, and also the calendar we have. Today we have Halloween in Canada, so it shows the Halloween day though. Yes. Okay, so health we have, and you can also download fitness app. It's a good one. It and the scroll is so much seamless. It's amazing, I guess. And okay, so let's wrap up the unboxing of iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can see the back and the sides are so beautiful, and the color is especially beautiful device with some exciting features, and the camera upgrade, I can't wait to test it further. And if you enjoyed this video, you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will show you the results with my old iPhone 11 Pro Max and 16 Pro Max. Okay, so let me know in the comments, what do you think of the new iPhone? It's a good change, a big change, or what else you need in the next upcoming upgrades. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking my videos, and thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.